This is the other machine. It controls the volume. It has control over the 4 speakers that are part of the podcast room. You can adjust people's volume depending on how loudly or quietly they speak. It also has some fun buttons here on the side. Silly music that'll keep playing until you push the button. That one will go once. The applause goes once, but you can always push it a second time and stop it early. Little scratch of the record. Someone tells a joke that doesn't land, you can give them crickets. Magic. Again, someone's unfortunate mistake. And a joke that does land. There are also other options. For instance, you can change the voices. Sorry if you didn't see that. I clicked really quick onto the next button over, and these changed color slightly, and it changes the speakers. So if you had your headphone on and you push this button, all of a sudden your voice would be deep. And then other sounds like that are labeled there.